Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the API key for OpenAI. So with that API key, we can submit the request to the OpenAI and we can get the response. So let's quickly jump into that. So first thing what you have to do is you have to search for platform.openai and you will see this link that is https://platform.openai.com. Then what you have to do is you have to simply click on this and it will open an interface like this. So this is the first landing page. So I have signed it by using my Gmail. So you have to use your Gmail over here to sign in. And this will be the first page which you will see. And over here, you can see we have docs by default selected. And over here, it will show the different models available over here. So if you have seen this after a while, then you might see models and it will keep you. It's an AI boom. So if I go over here in the view all, we can see the models and we can see a lot of models. So the most famous model is GPT 5.1, GPT 5 mini, and these are the featured model because these are the most used one. Next thing, if I move back over here to the docs, we will see we have a code over here, how to use this specific any of the models. So over here, you can see this in the model key. We can change up different models, whatever you want to use and the text you want to give. And from here, we got the option for the curl, JavaScript, Python, and C#. So in any of these you can use. Okay. Next thing what we have is we have an option over here for the dashboard. So if I click on this, we will move to a dashboard. And in the dashboard, we can see now different stuffs over here. So first thing you can see by default a different project will be created for you. To create a project, simply clicking on this and you can give any name. I'm not going to give any name and creating this one because once this one is created, it will go to a page where all the details of related to my account it will be visible. So I don't want to do that. You can simply add your project name and you can click on create and it will add that. Next thing what you have to do is I have already created a test, so I can select the different project with just for the different segregation, like one account, you can create multiple projects and multiple keys for different use cases. Suppose you have created a product management, then you can create one key for that under a project. Suppose you have created another for Netflix clone or something like that, then you can create another project under Netflix and then you can use it. Over here, we have to jump into the API keys. We have to click on this and here you will see an interface like this. So here we have an option to create a new secret key. So click on this. You can give any name and you can select project over here. So right now default, I'm going to give it a test key and you can select the function type restricted and read only, all as per your choice. So I'm going to select all and create the key. Now the key is that I can copy and I can use. Let me quickly delete this. Anyway, I'm not going to use this one. This is just for the demonstration purpose. Next thing over here, we can see there is a billing users stuff as well. So in the users dashboard, you can see how much you have used or consumed for that specific endpoint. Okay. Next thing, if I move back over here, let me quickly jump. So we have to jump into this one. Here you can see this. We have to add credits in order to use this because OpenAI is not free anymore. So just click on go to billing. So here you can see this free trial and credit remaining 0. So you have to add the payment detail and you have to add $5 in order to start using. So into this one, you can see the payment methods. If you have added any billing history and all of the stuff, credit grants, whatever you have got so far. And in the preferences, you can add. Here you can see this. I have joined this ChatGPT a long back ago. So on the October 12, 2022, we got this $18 and it got expired in the Feb 1, 2023, but I didn't use anything. Okay. So it got expired a long time. Next thing what we will see over here is we can check out the limits over here. So if I click on this and here we will get the rate limits for all of the different models like default. Token limit is 10,000 TPM. All stuff. There is a limit and everything. And here you can see in the free trial what you think you will get. In the users again, you can see all of your users. So I hope this is clear enough to how to create and how to add the money in your account and how to start using it. And you can refer the docs. We have a lot of docs over here. Into this one, you can see the text generation, image generation, audio and speech, and etc. and going on. So in the API reference, we have the API reference and again authentication and all response and all stuff. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and put your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching.